Hey skincare enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly amazing: DIY Tallow Balm, the ultimate natural skin moisturizer. Get ready to ditch those fancy, chemical-laden creams, because we're going all natural and your skin will thank you. So, what exactly is tallow? Well, it's rendered beef fat. Yep, you heard that right. But before you wrinkle your nose, trust me, it's a skincare superstar. Tallow is incredibly similar to our skin's natural oils, making it a super effective and gentle moisturizer. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and nutrients that your skin will absolutely adore. Why choose Tallow Balm over other moisturizers? Let's be honest, many commercial lotions are full of ingredients you can't even pronounce. They can be irritating, and some people even experience allergic reactions. Tallow Balm, on the other hand, is all natural, deeply moisturizing, and great for all skin types. It's especially fantastic for dry or sensitive skin. Plus, it's a great way to use a byproduct and reduce waste. How cool is that? Alright, let's get into the fun part: making your own Tallow Balm. You'll need a few simple ingredients and supplies. First, you'll need, you guessed it, tallow. You can usually find it at your local butcher or online. Make sure it's from grass-fed cows for the best quality. You'll also need some carrier oils, such as olive oil or jojoba oil, which will add extra moisture and help with the consistency. For added benefits, consider including essential oils. Lavender for relaxation, tea tree for its antibacterial properties, or whatever scents and properties appeal to you. Finally, you'll need a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl and a pot, a jar for storage, and a whisk. Now, for the recipe. First, gently melt the tallow using your double boiler, or by carefully placing your heat-safe bowl over a pot of simmering water. Once the tallow is completely melted, add your carrier oil. A good ratio is usually about 1 part carrier oil to 4 parts tallow, but you can adjust this to your liking. Next, add in your essential oils. A few drops are usually enough, don't overdo it. Gently mix everything together. Once everything is nice and combined, take it off the heat and let it cool a bit. Then, pour your mixture into your storage jar. And there you have it, your very own amazing, all-natural Tallow Balm. Let it cool completely before using. The balm will solidify as it cools. Start with a small amount and apply it to your skin. A little goes a long way. It's perfect for all over, from your face to your hands to your body. You will quickly notice how soft and moisturized your skin feels. Making your own Tallow Balm is not just fun, it's empowering. You know exactly what's going on your skin, and you're avoiding all those nasty chemicals. Plus, it's a sustainable choice. So, give it a try. Your skin will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome DIY content. Bye.